Welcome to Alphamantraining.com, and I was at authority, so that's why I need this mask, and gloves, because they really become pissed off when they see you without mask and gloves. If you even are not sick, if you're not sick, they feel pissed off if they see you without gloves and masks. So yesterday I saw when one police guy said to one guy, he came to a police to take his one stuff when they arrested, to get back his one item. I don't know, maybe it's a computer or something. So a policeman came and said, why you're not keeping a distance 1 meter, and why you're not wearing this mask, and so on. And after that, I decided, even if I feel okay, I'm not sick, but still, I will put this mask, gloves. And today I went, to one authorities department, and they didn't say anything. Everything was okay. But now, I can't move because I no longer need, because I'm not now at the authorities. So today we will talk about not from approach text, but how to overcome approach anxiety, and how personally I overcame approach anxiety. So I remember when this feeling to approach anxiety went off after 20,000 girls which I approached. 20,000 girls. So just imagine how many girls need to be approached. And I remember, till I didn't approach 20,000 girls, still approach anxiety was with me. So you will need to approach 20,000 girls. So you can calculate, you approach 10 girls a day, so with 1 year you approach 3,560 girls. So just imagine how many years it needs. So it's a lot of work, but now I feel I don't have any approach anxiety at all. I just go and talk to them like I already know them, just how I feel. This is amazing feeling. So same will be for you. Excuse me, I don't have earphones, so probably you hear some wind noise and something else. Today is hard to approach girls because it's not much of them. As you see, that the streets are empty, and it's hard to find targets to approach. So it's very hard today to actually approach 10 girls a day. But when the state or the city will get back to normal standing, so it will be much more easier to approach 10 girls a day. So okay, what else you need to know is that you don't need to you don't need to be afraid of that approach anxiety, because approach anxiety, it's a very good feeling, approach anxiety is very good feeling, so it's good that you feel approach anxiety. I go to front, it will be much more, maybe less sound. Excuse me. here much more better. Okay, so approach anxiety is a good feeling, but just this society turned that approach anxiety feeling into bad feeling. So when you feel approach anxiety, you feel that something bad, but actually it's a good feeling. It's a good feeling, and if you feel approach anxiety, it's good. That means, you know, you are turned on by that girl, and you feel attraction to her, so that's why you feel that approach anxiety. So it's good. So never afraid for approach anxiety. Always approach them. Use openers, which I wrote in my book, How to Become an Alpha Man. So definitely read that book, because you will learn openers, how to continue conversation, and will apply those systems to nowadays. You will go to public transport, to streets, you'll see, you know, girls. You know, today it's, you know, Corona time, so where are some girls who are running. I saw, you know, today 2 or 3 girls who are running, and even you can, you know, run to here, in front of here, stop here, and start talk to her. Still, you always will meet girls. If, for example, in your city live at least, you know, 200,000 people, so you will be girls to approach. Will be girls to approach. Even if Corona, you will go to shop foods, supermarkets, you will meet them. Okay, what else? Yeah, and the best way for you to motivate yourself is to actually see Infield videos, how I approach girls and how I remove my approach anxiety. So definitely invest into my product, pick up online training courses where you will see how to approach one girl, what opener to use on one girl, how to approach 2 girls, what opener to use on 2 girls, how to continue conversation with 1 girl, how to continue conversation with 2 girls, and other things which are very, you know, important to seduce them. So once you will destroy approach anxiety, you will move to groups, to approaching groups of girls. For example, you know, where a lot of situations when 2 girls are with 1 guy, how to approach, how to continue conversation. I included into my DVD, pick up online training courses, and a book, How to Become an Alpha Man. Now it's 11:37 now, and still, you know, it's not a lot of people. People come usually at 2, 3 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m. So when it's the time, you know, to go and approach them. Now, if you just have some you know, business work, you need to go somewhere. So when on the way, you can approach some girls. Your stuff. Okay, approach anxiety we talked. So how many girls a day you need to approach actually to beat that approach anxiety? I recommend, if you are a beginner, at least even in this Corona time, approach 10 girls. When the Corona time will end up, approach 15 or 20 girls a day. That what I was doing, you know, back in my days when I started. I was approaching 20 even girls. I was shooting my students, were in Infield, and you know, I was listening through earphones and shooting them, and still, you know, being at the moment of that approach with them. So I even can calculate their approaches because I was with them with a camera, I was shooting, I was feeling that approach, I was seeing how he's talking to that girl, how he's pulling here and everything. So, and you will need to reach 20,000 girls to eliminate this approach anxiety totally from your body. And then you will never feel that approach anxiety. It's an amazing feeling. Okay. Show you amazing food market, Lidl. I really like this food market because, you know, they have quality food with a very good price. Okay, so have a great day. Invest into my book, DVDs, read and watch them in the row, and take one Alphamantraining bootcamp. See you.